Hello, my name is Barry Stewart and I'm going to be talking to you briefly about sundews for the Lost Peatlands Project. Right, I'm standing on a quaking bog on the Gower Peninsula at Cefn Bryn amongst a sea of bog asphodel, this beautiful yellow flower. As you can see, the ground is pretty bouncy underfoot, but the plant I really want to show you is over here. So if we just come through the bog asphodel now, there's a red-tailed bumblebee on the bog asphodel there. Anyway, the red leaves in amongst all the sphagnum here is a plant called round-leaf sundew. Now this is one of 14 native carnivorous plants we have in the British Isles. I'm just going to go in amongst the vegetation a bit closer so I can get on those sticky leaves. So the leaves are covered in long glandular hairs which are like flypaper, so they produce nectar and insects are attracted to them, land on the leaves and they get stuck, and enzymes digest the insects, providing important nutrients for the plants. As I said, there are 14 species of carnivorous plants in Britain which are native. 3 of them are sundews, and this is the commonest one, the round leaf sundew. So I'm just going to go a little bit further in there. Quite a gorgeous little plant. I'll just pull out a bit. You can see the way it grows amongst the sphagnum here. Oh, there's some in flower over here. You'll see the little flowers on the erect stalks coming up from the leaves. The flowers aren't quite open yet, but you can see those little bits just here. That's the flowers. So there you go. There's round-leaved sundew, thriving in the bogs.